How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 64 Pontiac LeMans Convertible. Super nice car, done in Victory Red, white top, white interior. Very nice car. Real solid car. It's all the grille, headlight bezels, they're all the original, excellent condition. Front bumper appears it's original and it's in excellent condition as well. Car's all original body panels and floors. Got a nice set of American Racing torque thrust wheels and new tires. All the chrome on the car is nice. Convertible top is been replaced about 2 years ago, along with the interior. All the original taillight bezels and everything in very good condition. Rear bumper was re-chromed. Car looks real good down the sides. Older gentleman had the car, used it as his little show car, go to the shows and cruises. He did the motor, same as the body color, just because he thought it looked good. It's a 326, has been rebuilt, factory 4-barrel on it. It's all nicely detailed under the hood. It's got the heavy duty radiator, power steering, power brakes. Got dual exhaust out the back, 2-speed glide, trans. So all the jams look real nice. The interior's just gorgeous. All, like I said, been replaced last 2 years. Factory bucket seats in it. They did front seat belts. Nice little upgrade. All inside the trunk looks real nice. Got the factory spare and jack. Got the parade boot there. Rear windows nice and clear. Got retro AM/FM stereo in it. Got a nice little center console in it. All new visors and everything. Fires right up. Still got 3 of the T3 original headlights. It's got power top. Works just like it should. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. I'll tell you, that's a good looking car right there. Got a nice mild cam in it, nothing radical, just perfect stance. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.